Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around our lovely 2011 11 plate Mini Cooper John Cooper Works. Now this is a genuine John Cooper Works, so we've got the full exterior body kit, so the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts, and then we're riding on those signature multi-spoke alloy wheels. Now the car itself is finished in this lovely black paintwork, which looks fantastic on the car. Lots of chrome detailing, bright silver detailing on your front grille, on your headlamp and tail lamp surrounds, around the full band of the window. You've got the side mouldings there as well in the silver. We've got John Cooper Works badges to the bottom grills. We've got headlamp wash, nice bonnet scoop. Looking at the alloys, we're riding on 17-inch multi-spoke alloys with the JCW bright red brake calipers. We've got the panoramic glass roof on this one, which is opening and tilting. Coming through to the back, obviously signature dual exhaust. We've got rear parking sensors, we've got the spoiler there as well. But for the age of the car, for the mileage, this is a lovely example. So all the panels are nice and straight. The front end isn't riddled with stone chips. It doesn't look like it's been raced around or rallied. Inside is a full ebony black, lovely lounge leather with contrasting piping all throughout the vehicle. Looking at the bolsters, the seat base, they're in nice order, very minimal wear to those. Coming through to the back then, we've got comfortable seating for two with Isofix in the bottom there. We've got John Cooper Works kick plates. Jumping inside, vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got a leather and Alcantara leather multifunction steering wheel. So on there is our voice command, all of our volume and media controls. You've got your automatic lights found just there. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 93,507 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the center display then, we've got our DAB radio, we've got our tuner, which is your FM, CD, AUX and USB. You've got Bluetooth phone, you've got your onboard computer, mini configurator and mini services. Mini CD boost, so you've got your CD player there. Climate control with air conditioning, heated front screen. We've got heated front seats as well, which is a lovely thing to have. 6-speed manual transmission. We've got the sport mode there. We've got traction control, central armrest, which is in nice order. Within there you've got a little bit of storage. Now this vehicle is supplied with loads of documentation, all the bills and receipts. We've got AUX wires there. We've got the charging cable for the genuine mini Garmin sat nav. So we've got that there, if that's any use to you. Usually people just use your iPhone or your phone, Google Maps. We've got our locking wheel nut within there as well. Obviously full Pan-Am roof. Which is just there. So when it's all closed, looks superb. Both sides tilt up, and then this obviously goes all the way back. But when it's all closed up, you've got the nice pan roof effect there. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.